We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S in black. This model also has ABS on it. This bike is extremely light, very nimble, easy to ride, easy to maneuver. Extremely quiet. And also really comfortable. Great beginner or even an intermediate level bike for somebody. Key is dead center right here. As I mentioned earlier, it's extremely quiet. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.